This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Boulevard of Broken Dreams on ukulele. First, let's master the 4 fundamental chords needed for this song: E minor, G major, C major, and D major. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning smoothly between these 4 chords, as this will be crucial for the song's flow. A good goal is to switch between them in under 2 seconds. Next, we'll tackle the strumming pattern. For Boulevard of Broken Dreams, a common and effective pattern is down, down, up, down. Remember to keep your strumming hand loose and relax to achieve a natural, flowing rhythm. Start by practicing this pattern very slowly, focusing on consistency. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your speed until it matches the song's tempo, aiming for about 100 beats per minute. Now let's look at the song's structure. Boulevard of Broken Dreams typically follows a clear pattern of verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Each section has its own specific chord progression. For the verse, you'll often see E minor, G, D, and a minor. Practice each section individually until the chord changes feel automatic. This repetition builds muscle memory, making the full song much easier to play smoothly. Finally, it's time to put everything together and play the full song. Start by slowly combining your learned chords with the strumming pattern, moving through each section. Playing along with the original track can greatly help with your timing and overall feel. Don't rush. Focus on smooth transitions between chords and maintaining a consistent rhythm throughout the entire piece. Enjoy playing this classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.